Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly again. So guys, in this video you will learn an automation by which you can connect Notion with Google Sheets. So guys, Notion is a all-in-one productivity or management application and you can do many things in Notion. And if you want to save the data you are entering in Notion in a separate spreadsheet in the Google Sheets application, you can use this automation. So here you can see on my screen guys, this will be the flow of this automation here. As in when you are going to add any new item in a database in Notion, the details of that item will be saved here in Google Sheets automatically. So you will have a record of the data, what your team is doing, what you are doing in Notion, and you can see that record in Google Sheets anytime you want. So you do not have to manually copy the data from Notion and add it here in Google Sheets. It will happen automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is going to integrate both of these applications. Alright, and guys, the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So here I'm giving the name as Notion to Google Sheets automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be adding anything, any new item in Notion's workspace, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the same data in a row in Google Sheet. Okay, so first of all here we are going to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose Notion application. Here it is, select it, and the trigger event would be new database item. Okay, and here you can see it is showing every 8 hours. So this trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours in Notion. Okay, after that it is going to fetch the data here. So click on connect from here, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the token of Notion, and here you can read the instructions. You need to reach the settings of Notion application. There you will find integrations tab. There you have to develop an integration, and you will find a token. Then you have to connect that integration with a database that you have in Notion, and after that you can make the connection. Let me show you. You can read the instructions, take your time, read it carefully, and then follow them. Let me show you directly how you can do this. So actually this is my Notion applications dashboard. All right, and on this page you will find this settings and members option in the left hand side. Click on it, and here on this page you will find this integrations tab right here. Click on integrations. So these are the integrations I have already created. You can create a new integration by clicking on this develop your own integrations option, and you will reach this page. Here let me create a new integration. Just click on this new integration button, and here you can provide a name to this integration. So I'm giving the name as to Google Sheets. Okay, right, and here you can associate a workspace with that integration and give the required permissions. After that click on submit, and here you can see we got the internal integration token. This is what we wanted. Just click on show, then click on copy, and then paste it here in this token field. All right, and then click on save. But before saving this, you have to do one thing more. Okay, so let me connect it again actually. All right, and here we have the token. paste the token here. And before clicking on save, you have to do one thing. Go back to your Notions integrations section. Okay, so we have created the integration. Now go back to Notions dashboard. Just close this settings window. All right, so this is a table I have created. This is a to-do list table, and here I am adding the tasks for my team. Okay, I'm creating like a Kanban boards, right? And here you can see on the top right corner I have a share option. Click on share, and here you can see you can share this workspace or this table with emails, peoples, and integrations. So I'm going to share this space or table with this integration that I have created, the name of which is to Google Sheets. So for this to happen, just search here, click here, and it will show you the integrations list. Here you can see we have this to Google Sheets integration. Click on it and click on invite. All right, so this integration is connected with this table. Okay, right, now here in your workflow, click on save, and here you can see now it is showing the database ID here, which is to do. Okay, so when you connect your integration with your workspace or your database, actually it will show you the database ID here. And guys, here you can see I have created this new task for my team. This is a next up category task, and in this task you can see this task is assigned to this person, Ashi Khan. The status is this, the priority is this. Okay, so you can create a similar task. Let me show you. Just click on this new button and you can give a name to this task. So the name of this task is new integration, let's say. You can assign this task to any person. You can select the status. Okay, this is the status. You can select the priority. You can select the due date. You can provide a description. Like this, between Notion and Google Sheets. All right, and then we have properties option and start date, end date, many things. I'm just showing you the demo, so I have just created this like this. All right, so you can see it is added in our board. In progress is the status. This is the name of the task, and you have already seen the things. So here now let me click on save and send test request button, and this task I have created in my Notions database will be fetched here. Let me show you. And here you can see in this response section we got these details captured, and you can see the status is in progress. Here is the name of the person who is assigned this task, and here you can see the description of the task is fetched here. Okay, and here you can see the priority. Here you can see the name of the task. So this is how you can capture the data. Now I want to send the details of this task I have added to be delivered to this spreadsheet I have created. This is a spreadsheet I have created named as Notions data in my Google Sheets application, and these are the things I want to add here as a record. Okay, the task name, assignee, priority, description, status, and due date. Okay, so to send the data in my Google Sheet, here I need to connect my Google Sheet in this action step. So just select Google Sheets application from here, and the action event would be add new row. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection. Then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from this window you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. All right, and then you have to give some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here, and you will be connected with Google Sheets like this. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet's name. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have created, and this is my spreadsheet named as Notions data. Select it. All right, and you can see the sheet's name got automatically populated here because we have only one sheet here, sheet 1, and it got selected here. Now it is asking for the task name, assignee, priority, and all these things. So these are the headers of the columns I have here like this. So to get the data filled here in a new row, I need to map the values of these headers of the columns here in this workflow. So let me map the things. So guys, you can see I have received the data of a new task here like this, and I'm going to map the details that I have received in the first step here in the second step. So here just click on this task name field and it will show you this Notion step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you the data of the task you have received in the first step only. So from here you can find out the name of your task and you can map it here only. So this is the task name, just map it. Similarly, map the assignee's name. This is it. You can map the priority as well. Okay, so the priority you will find here. Here it is, select it. You'll find the description as well. Okay, and the status and the due date. Alright, so I have mapped all the data guys like this. So when you map the data like this, what will happen after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to create any new task in Notion, whenever you are going to create any new thing, any new item in your database in Notion, the labels are going to change accordingly and a new data will be fetched here in this spreadsheet automatically. Okay, so now you can check your connection with your Google Sheet by clicking on save and send test request, and a new row will be added here like this. Let me show you. I have clicked on save and send test request, and here you can see this is the response we have received. Let me show you my spreadsheet, and here you can see a third row is added here with the details as task name, new integration, assignee name, priority, description, status, and the due date. So this is how it is going to work guys. So our connection is working fine and we are done setting up the automation. So you have to set up this automation only once guys. After that, it is going to run automatically as and when you are going to make any new entry in your database in Notion. So guys, you can use the same workflow because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.